beautiful. See, it's in really good condition too. I'm going to build that corner up with an epoxy mixture. So, because this is the original one, I want to keep it. So I'm going to dye the epoxy as close as I can, and then get that on, and then profile it and see how it goes. Has this worked or not? I mean, it's still slightly tacky because I used a thinner based color dyes, but epoxy, anything can stick to epoxy, so I'm not too worried. Good. Yeah, happy with that. Hey, what a good day. It had a piece of Bakelite missing on that side, so I used some of the epoxy mix. So I'm going to just profile that back and stick it in and then test it and see if it works. That would be great. Again, another thing saved. There we go. So the Bakelite block sits on the lever arm, then the spring, and then the copper or brass contact sits on there. I think we're good.